Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how you can sign up into the online banking account on Chase Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and searching for a chase.com and press enter. At the official webpage of Chase Bank, you can see the option of sign in and just below it not enrolled sign up now. As we are going to get new enrolled in the Chase Bank, we will click on not enrolled sign up now. Here to get enrolled for the Chase Bank, you need to provide the few details. Also, you need to choose which type of account you would like to access. That is personal, business or commercial. You choose according to your preference. Then here scroll to the little down. You need to provide your account card or application number, then social security number. So go in for providing the account card or application number. Now below you need to provide the social security number. Here, if you do not have your social security number, then you need to click on the link provided, that is no social security number. Then go in for following the instruction that is provided. After you fill both of the details, you scroll to the little down. Here you need to provide the username of yours that must contain at least 8 to 32 characters long, that must contain at least one letter and number, and also that must not contain special characters. So you go in for providing the username that you want to. Once you provided all the details and your username, then you need to click on the next, where you will get redirected to the another page. There you need to follow the instruction that has been provided. Then you will get registered to the online banking account on Chase Bank. Hope this video is truthful for you all on how you can register for a online banking account on Chase Bank. Thank you.